Hi, this workshop is called My Day to Lose Weight. Hello girls, this workshop is for you to know how a daily routine must be for a woman that works on a home office modality and wants to lose weight. What she must eat, drink, or do to empower herself and start the way to a healthier lifestyle. So, here are the recommended steps that we all can follow. They are easy, handy, and simple to stick with. So, let's begin. Start your day early. Home office jobs are usually busier in the morning. That will help you start your day early. From 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. are the best times to start. You feel fresh and rested. The first thing I recommend you to do is to kiss your partner if you have one, or your kids if you have them too, or maybe your fur baby, or if you're alone, to yourself, you're great. That will give you some good vibes and good mood to start your day. Once you're finally awake, you can go to the bathroom. Empty your beautiful body of the things that don't belong to it anymore and flush that away. After that, you can wash your teeth and prepare. It is waiting time. I suggest you're having your scale in the bathroom. That way, you should not go to another room to know how much you weigh, and it is handy. I will teach you how to use it. Pencils out. Use the same scale on the same place. Not all the scales are calibrated on the same way, and they don't react the same with different surfaces. That is why it is so important that it's in the same place every morning for you to access it easily. Do it at the same time of the day every day. This will make the variables to reduce and the conditions to standardize. Do it naked. It is the perfect excuse to use to see your gorgeousness and to remove the fabric weight that will add to the scale. Natural is best. After you know how much you weigh and how much you've lost, well done, drink a nice amount of plain water, and it is time for you to get dressed and pretty. Never sit to work using your jammies. It will make you feel sleepy and sloppy. Use nice clothes that make you feel and look good. I suggest you eating your breakfast between 9 and 10 a.m. And this is how your breakfast should look like. 1 piece of chopped fruit, 1 cup of big fruit like pineapple, watermelon, cantaloupe, or papaya, and also bananas, mangoes, and mameyes count for 2 pieces. Half a cup of natural yogurt, no sugar, 12 almonds, pecan nuts, cashews or walnuts, or 24 peanuts or pistachios, or 1½ spoon of sesame seed or sunflower seeds, 1½ spoon of raisins or 4 prunes, and 1½ spoon of dry oats. And 1 cup of coffee with skim milk. Can also be almond, coconut, rice, or soy milk, or a cup of tea if you prefer. Remember, no sugar, honey, or substitutes. Fruits are sweet enough, and so you are. Make sure you take time for you to enjoy your breakfast away from the computer. Take a break and eat calmly. While you're working, try to drink water and avoid sugary beverages like juice, sodas, or smoothies. They have hidden calories that you can spare, and I can assure you, you will feel better during the passing days. If you want to add some flavor, strong infusions like ginger, clove, peppermint, or Mexican water cocoa with cinnamon are the best, and they will energize your body and help you with the anxiety. If you have a long day sitting, try to stand up every hour and walk for around a minute. You can use it to fix your clothes, clean a surface, prepare your menage, clean the counter, whatever you want. It is up to you. The important part is standing up and moving those legs. Stop working and start caring. Once your shift is over, try to clean your mind. It is finally time for you and for your beloved ones. Have a weekly menu for your lunches that will make you think on a budget and start thinking what to eat to be healthy. Try to thinking what you like to eat and what you can do to still have it without adding pounds to your waist. A lot of Mexican dishes can be reduced in calories and still delicious. For example, a chicken or beef broth with lean meat and no skin, a lot of vegetables and steamed rice instead of the same broth with chambarete or fatty meat, few vegetables and fried rice, no tortillas, no tostadas, and no bread. Also, you can add onion, lime, and natural fresh chili as much as you want too. Those are for free use and delicious. Drink plain water, or if you like more flavor, a Jamaica water, lemonade, or tamarind water without sugar are the options. Try to avoid sugar substitutes as much as possible. Artificial sweetened food is for a treat and should be avoided. You will get used to it. In summer, your plate must contain a lot of vegetables, what you can hold with your both hands, a good piece of lean meat, more or less what you can fit in your palm, half a cup of carbohydrates like rice, or 2 tortillas, or a half bolillo, or a half cup of legumes like beans, lentils, broad beans, or peas, water and hot salsa or chili, because I know you girls cannot eat without it. Complete your chores, but do not overwhelm yourself. Try to be as ordered as possible the day before to avoid having to clean everything every day. Once they are completed, make time for you. You will exercise and move. Exercise is the key. Before doing any exercise, please consult your physician and make sure that you will be more beneficial for you. Avoid injuries and aches. Remember, this is for you to feel better, not to hurt you. Search for a routine that suits you. It must be at least 40 minutes 6 times a week. If you have a busy day like me, start slowly. High impact can hurt your joints, but dancing, walking, or a light routine of resistance bands can be the best for you. It will pump your blood, oxygenate your muscles, and make you feel you are going forward. Here are some examples of exercises you can do. Please remember, always at your rhythm and taking care of yourself. You need to sweat and to strengthen those muscles. Yoga, resistance bands, Pilates, Zumba, you name it. It is for you to have fun and improve your body, mind, and soul. Time to rest. Once you're done with the exercise, you can take a nice shower. Try not to do it with so hot water. It will help your body to create heat and boost your metabolism. After your shower, use a nice moisturizer, a hair mask, or whatever you like to feel beautiful. Remember, you're doing this for you. Dinner. It is time for you to eat the last food of the day. Remember, you will go to sleep. You cannot overwhelm your digestive system. You need to go to sleep and rest, and digest something easily is like giving a break to your body. That is why it is so important to have something light to eat, and your dinner should look like this. 1 cup of tea. Soothing infusions like chamomile, green tea, lemongrass, or orange blossoms are the best for nighttime, with a little of skim milk. Vegetable milk can be used as well. 1 piece of green steamed vegetables like chayote, broccoli, or zucchini, seasoned with olive oil and maybe garlic or pepper. Add seeds, like the ones that you eat in the morning, and in the same amount. Conclusion. As you can see, these are things you can do every day, and they are not difficult to fulfill. It will be a change for you, but believe me, I have been following the suggestions and the results are being great. I feel lighter, less swelled, and I can sleep better, and the best part, I have reduced 1 whole size. And it has been only 3 weeks. You can do it and show your beloved ones how to do it with you. They will feel better and enjoy the time together in a best way. Thank you for your attendance, and remember, food is a pleasure, but fitting in your clothes is sweeter. This workshop has been presented by From Sitting to Fitting.